Welcome back. In the previous video I showed you how to make a very quick Suika game in Python, and while it was very simple and quick, it doesn't quite look like the real thing. In fact, the one on the right is what we'll be making today, and hopefully it was close enough to fool you for a second. First step is getting the sprites for the fruits and the size of the collision boxes, which are all circles, and you can fight me on that one. All the magic values will be kept in a config file to separate settings and code, and we'll also be separating code into smaller bits or smaller files for more readable structure. Some improvements were also made on the previous code, one of which is making the physics objects, the particles, actually inherit from PyMonk shapes instead of just containing them, which greatly simplifies some of the code. Finally, some miscellaneous code before the game loop. Now that it looks like the part, we can start reverse engineering the physics settings. First up is fitting the gravity by replicating how fast they fall. Simple as that. Next up is fitting the elasticity of collisions, which is just replicating how bouncy it is. And you get the gist of it. Fit the vibes and we're Gucci. Now I won't pretend to have found the optimal settings, so if you find something better, please put it in the comments.